Welcome back to Thompson TV. It's Charlotte, and today I'm going to be showing you around our brand new Carado I449. So Carado is by the Heimer Group. This is a 5-berth 4-belt motorhome, 2.2 litre engine with 140 brake horsepower, and it is 7.4 metres long. So we will go on ahead and show you around the outside of the van. So as you can see here, we are built on a Fiat. We'll have the two-tone Fiat 16-inch alloys. On round to the side here, we have a 4.5 metre awning thanks to the Carado Pro Plus pack. We also have Carado Pro Plus decals along the side as well. Let's take a quick look into the garage. So at the back here you can see your Pro Plus decals, as well as that we have our full reversing camera. And as you can see, lovely, open and spacious. We have our leather multifunctional Fiat steering wheel, cruise control with our speed limiter. We have our voice recognition. Beside me we have our 9-speed automatic gearbox. Down here is our climate zone, so you have your aircon there, and your infotainment system here is fully touchscreen. You have a built-in sat-nav, built-in reverse camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you have of course your DAB radio systems and USB port down here. So we are into the lounge area. As you can see, we have a very open and spacious lounge area suitable to sit 5 or 6 people. You have your 3rd and your 4th belt there, and your telescopic table, so this will move around, and of course you have your 2 captain swivel chairs at the front. So above me we have our 3rd and our 4th belt in our pull down bed, so just slide that wee lever across and pull down, and here you have your bed. So we're into the kitchen area, neatly tucked away in the corner here. We have our sink. Beside that is our 2-ring gas burner. Below me is our Thetford combined oven and grill. Plenty of storage along here, and as you can see above we have large overhead lockers there too. Guys, as you can see, we have a Thetford 3-way fridge. Now this is a really decent sized fridge, 156 litres for the fridge compartment. And above me is your 29 litre freezer box. As you can see, we have our Truma control panel. So this is our gas and electric heating, so you can toggle between that, and here you have your control panel, which is nice and simple, very easy to use. So guys, let's take a look into the bathroom. So this is our shower. We have a wooden duckboard here, which is a nice feature, blend into the rest of the floor obviously. So whenever you're taking your shower, you'll lift this out, and of course then you'll have a little bit of a gap there, so all your water will drain down there. Behind me is the toilet, and you have your ceramic sink there as well, which is a nice touch. This will all close off, so it gives that ensuite effect. We're into the bedroom area then, and as you can see we have a king size bed here. Honestly, you just need to come try it for yourself. It is so cozy, and you have the nice ambient lighting there too. Another point that I would like to emphasise is just how brilliant the storage is in this Carado. So as you can see here, we have plenty of storage underneath the bed. 2 full-side wardrobes either side of the bed, and more over cab lockers. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Full details of this motorhome can be seen on our website, thompsonleisure.com. If you have any more questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. You can give us a call on 028 9269 3999, or you can send me an email, which is charlotte@thompsonleisure.com. Thank you, bye.